Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. This one is actually as the second part to the first part video that I filmed. I filmed a two-part video. The first one was about this makeup look, and then this one is a review. Sorry about if my lips are looking all dry. I have not got any lipstick on, so it's looking dry and crusty. I do apologize in advance. Just disregard the lips and just focus somewhere else. Not on my lips. This review for me is very special because I believe that as women and as YouTubers, we have to support each other, and I'm here for this. Anyway, today's video, it's a lipstick, a YouTuber that I really love. I used to watch this YouTuber a long time before I started my YouTube back in 2016-17, so I've been watching her for a while now. She's absolutely fantastic. Her name is Patricia Bright. She's British. She's amazing. She's got the most beautiful personality. You can't help it but to love this lady. She did her first major collaboration with M.A.C. This is major. Congratulations, Patricia Bright. We are all so proud of you. I'm excited for you. Well done. Keep doing it, girl. Do it for us. Do it for us. The only single lipstick that I reviewed was back in 2016-17. I cannot remember when I started my channel. And that was my first major, well, that was actually my first review, and I sucked. It was so bad. It was so bad, but for some weird reason that video did so well. It had so many views. I'm actually quite surprised. Also a matte lipstick, and it was the Midnight Troll lipstick. I'm still not the best, but I'm trying my best. Just pardon me, I'm trying my best. So this is a lipstick that I'm going to be reviewing. It's a Patricia Bright lipstick here. Oh, look at that. This packaging for me screams Patricia Bright, but the only thing is I thought it was going to be more colorful than it is right now, because like I said, she has a colorful, bubbly personality. So I was expecting the packaging to be a little bit more bright, but then again, I do love this one. This packaging is absolutely gorgeous. The packaging is quite different from the usual M.A.C lipstick packaging. This one is so Patricia Bright. Like I said, it's got like a bold brown color on it with a silver bright stroke print on it, and it has her name on it with a silver writing as well. The price is like £17.50, and I had to pay for shipping. I don't think it was necessary. But everything came up to £22.50 plus the shipping, but the actual price of the lipstick is £17.50, just like any other M.A.C lipstick prices. This is what the lipstick is. They're saying that it's a rich warm chocolate lipstick with a semi-matte finish, and it's perfect highly pigmented brown for all season. This is a limited edition hue. This is going to be a first impression, because when I received that lipstick, I did not try it on. The lipstick is just like any other matte lipstick. The packaging itself, black with a silver writing on it, and this is how it looks like. Wow. I'm gonna put it on and see how it goes with my skin tone. I am just so excited to try this lipstick on. Now, when she wore it, it really looked good on her skin tone. I've always been looking for this sort of brown shade. Most of the brown shades that I get, they either a little bit darker or a little bit cooler. I'm really excited that Patricia Bright came up with this one. I'm gonna try it on and I will let you guys see how it goes on my skin. It's meant to be a no shine matte finish. She recommended a pencil that for the liner, but obviously I did not get a pencil, so I'm just going to use my own brown pencil here. Got it on. So my verdict is it feels very creamy. It's meant to be a semi-matte lipstick, but when you apply it doesn't feel very dry on the lips. It feels a little bit moisturizing, so I like the consistency of this. It's absolutely perfect. The color is actually gorgeous as well. Look at the color. Maybe I needed a different liner, because the top one I can see is not really defined. So I think she mentioned like some chestnut. I can't remember what color, but I'm gonna try that liner and see if it looks better than this liner that I've got. I've seen quite a bit of tutorials and it looks different on every single person, so I think it depends on your skin tone. I can see that it looks different on my skin tone than all the other tutorials that I've seen, but I do love the color. It feels very creamy. It's not drying. I like the warmness of it. Wow, it actually feels really nice on the lips. Some matte lipsticks, when you put them on, your lips feels really hard, like it feels heavy. This one doesn't feel heavy at all. I do like the feel of this lipstick. It feels absolutely amazing on the lips. It smells really nice as well. It's got a really nice scent to it, like mild, beautiful scent to it. This will be good for every skin tone. The shade of brown, because it's quite a warm brown, it will be nice. Deeper skin, a lighter skin, it will suit every skin tone. That's what I like about this. So anybody can wear this lipstick. It is absolutely gorgeous. You can wear this every day. You can wear this to work. For a night out, you can wear it. You can wear it during the day as well. So it's quite versatile. If you have some money saved up somewhere and you're looking for that perfect brown tone, just go get it. I like it. The only thing about MAC lipstick is I feel like they're just a little bit pricey though. What do you think? Matte lipstick, matte product in general, they're a little bit pricey. MAC. That's the only thing. That's the only thing. But it is worth it. I would say it's worth it. So just go get it.